Hello, it's Peter with Ideal Energy. In this video, we're going to show you the fan operation settings for your Honeywell T4 thermostat. Please note, fan modes will vary depending on the system settings and which thermostat that you have. To cycle through the various fan settings, you're going to hit the button right below fan. So currently it is set to fan auto. Now if we hit this button once, twice, it'll go to fan on. Now fan auto is when that system heating or cooling kicks in. The fan will also be going. Fan on means the fan is constantly on, constantly circulating air. Now, depending which model you have, you also may have fan circ. Fan circulating means that the fan is going to run approximately 30 to 35% of the time, minus the time that the fan will run with the heating or cooling system. So you're going to save a little bit of energy with that one. That's all for fan operation mode for your Honeywell T4 thermostat. Thanks for watching.